4. Incidence and prevalence rate, 3 marks. 2 types of descriptive study come from the field of epidemiology. 1. Prevalence studies. 2. Incidence studies. Prevalence studies. The prevalence is the number of existing cases, old and new, in a defined population at a given point of time, e.g. a disease or a behavior such as smoking. It is rely on cross-sectional designs in which the data are obtained from the population at risk of the condition. The formula for point of prevalence rate, PR, equals number of cases with the condition or disease at a given point time x k number in the population at risk of being a case. K is the number of people, e.g. per 100 or per 1000 population, whom we want to have the rate established. O numerator count new and old cases. O it is preferred estimating the population-based burden of a chronic disease or attribute. O doesn't require follow-up of individuals. Depends on duration of illness. O measures the proportion of population with disease. O indicates how widespread the disease. O prevalence counts existing disease diagnosis at a single point of time. Incidence studies. The incidence of disease represents the rate of occurrences of new cases arising in a given period in a specified population. It relies on longitudinal design. As the researcher must first establish who is at risk of becoming a new case. The formula for incidence rate, IR, equals number of new cases with the condition or disease over a given point time period x k number in the population at risk of being a case. O numerator counts only new cases. O it is preferred when studying cause and effect. Requires follow-up of individuals in a population to identify new cases. O does not depend on duration of illness. O measures the rapidity of disease occurrence. O determines the risk of a certain disease in the population. O incidence counts new disease diagnosis during a defined time period.